Ready to unlock Kvcore email templates' hidden potential and create messages that truly resonate with your clients. First, navigate to the Marketing tab in your Kvcore dashboard. This is your central hub for all things related to communication and campaigns. Next, select Smart Campaigns and then click on the Templates option. This opens up your library of existing email templates, where you can either edit one or create a new one. For this example, let's create a new template from scratch. Click a Template button and select the email template type. Now, to add your special column, you'll use merge tags. These tags pull specific data from your Kvcore database into the email. For example, typing %first_name% will automatically insert the recipient's first name into the email. Kvcore provides a wide range of these tags for various data points like property information, contact details, and more. Explore the available merge tags list provided by Kvcore. It's usually found as a drop-down menu within the template editor. Here, you'll find everything you need to personalize your emails. After inserting your desired merge tags, always preview your email to ensure the data is populating correctly. This will help you avoid any errors and guarantee a professional look. Finally, save your customized template. Now you're equipped to send hyper-personalized emails that connect with your clients on a whole new level.